What's up, guys, and welcome to the show. So I got my skateboard here, and yes, I know it's winter, but the snow is melting, and I've been wanting to hit the outside with the skateboards for a little while. Since the snow is melting, I might as well take advantage of it. This is my skateboard. These are my wheels, and the bearings really need a good cleaning on this board, as well as on my you can hear it, as well as on my pintail. They really need to be cleaned. Like, they're just really not good at all. So I'm going to show you guys how to clean your bearings using the bearing cleaner. Now you buy this in a kit. It comes with the bearing cleaner. I'll show you guys how to use that itself. Then it comes with the speed cream as well. I'll show you guys how to use that as well. You only use a drop or two, but first off, we need this. This, of course, is the skate tool, minus that, of course. So we're going to go ahead and pop those wheels off first. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so once you have all your bearings out, you'll have all 8 of them. Take your bearing cleaner jug or whatever, bottle, undo it, and you'll see something like this. A rod with a spinner on the end of it. Spin that all the way off. You'll see these little things right there. Show you guys how to use that in just a sec. So spin this all the way off. That's now out. Take these off. Put your bearing in, then basically just do this all the way until all 8 bearings are in. So it'll look something like that. And of course, once that is done, you'll take your tighten it up so you'll have all 8 bearings like that. Then you want to fill this up 3/4 of the way full with your cleaner. A lot of times people recommend acetones, that type of thing. Yeah, I'd use a citrus cleaner, not a harsh or oily citrus cleaner, but I'll fill it up 3/4 of a way full right now. Okay, so once you have your bearing cup filled, or whatever it's called, filled up 3/4 of a way full, you take your bearings, which look like that, you put it in, make sure the lid is not cross-threaded when you put it on, tighten it up, now shake it. Okay, so once it's shook, you want to shake it for about 30 seconds. Then what I like to do is I like to let it sit for a few seconds. Now the next part is you're going to open up your lid, you're going to spin your bearings, then you're going to put it back in and reshake it. So let's go ahead and open this up. Then you're going to spin your bearings. Basically, I don't know if you guys could see that, but the reason that you want to give your bearings a good spin is just you want to spin all that gunk and stuff out of there. So you're going to spin it. Give it a few good spins each one. Then put it back in and repeat the process. So again, make sure that nothing is being cross-threaded, everything's tight. Once it's spun, shake for another 30 seconds. Now again, once that's done, let it sit for a little bit, and then we'll take it over to dab them dry. Okay, so now what you want to do, now that you repeated that second process, is lay out a cloth, rag, paper towel, something so you could dab those dry. Again, put them out. And I'll give them a little bit of another spin. So once they are out, I'll spin them again. Basically repeat this process until you're happy. So if you're not happy with how clean they are, again, repeat that process. So now that that's done spinning them, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to open this up. Then I'm going to take my bearings off of here, so I'm going to put them out. Now we'll put that off to the side while we dab our bearings dry. So take the edge of your cloth and just give them a nice dab dry. Kind of clean them up a little bit. Once you're done with that, give them a nice little spin. You can already tell how good that spins now compared to how it was. If you guys look at how that bearing was before, it was really bad. It didn't look very good at all. So give it a good spin. Look at how good that spins compared to what it was before. Looks really good. Got a lot of gunk and crap, all of it. So of course you repeat this for all of them. Just make sure they are dried out. Okay, so now that that portion is done, we've dabbed our bearings dry. They're really nice. They're very clean. They're not oily. They look amazing compared to what they actually look like before. Now is the portion where we use our speed cream. Now, usually I like to hit both sides of the speed cream. So we'll put a dab in there, spin it, put a dab on the other side, spin it, and then repeat the process for all 8 of them. Then we'll put the wheels back in. So we'll go ahead and we'll put our dab of speed cream in. Go ahead and repeat the process. Put a dab of speed cream in. We'll go ahead and And then we'll repeat the process for all of them. Yeah, and then we'll basically repeat that process for all of them. Alright guys, so the wheels are back on, and these wheels are going so much better than they were before. As you guys can see, they're running way smoother now, way better for a longer period of time. I'm really excited about hitting the board now that it's starting to get a little bit drier out there with no snow. So I'm definitely gonna hit this board up soon. But that's how you guys clean skateboard bearings the right way. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe. You guys know I love you very much, and I'll check you in the next video.